Welcome Audi fans, I'm John with Audi Atlanta, and today I'm here to bring you tips about how to get the most out of your Audi experience. Today we're going to talk about Apple CarPlay and how it works with the 2019 MMI Touch Response System. Let's get started.
CarPlay is an extremely helpful tool that allows you to access some of the primary features of your iPhone without actually having to hold or navigate through it. It makes use of the upper screen of the MMI display to create a closely mirrored version of what you typically see on your phone. As an added benefit, you don't even need to download an app for it. All you need is operating system 9.1 or newer. So make sure that your iPhone is updated.
You can simply connect your phone with a lightning cable, or you can connect your phone wirelessly via Bluetooth for easy access every time you get into the car. To begin the wireless connection, unlock your phone and be sure to enable Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. With the car on, open the Bluetooth menu on your phone. Once you've done that, select the phone icon in the upper display of your MMI system. Then select Connect Mobile Device to have the car search for nearby devices that are within range. Choose your iPhone from the list to begin pairing it with your car. Soon after, a pin will be sent to your iPhone. If it matches what you see on the MMI screen, go ahead and select Pair. If done successfully, your iPhone will now ask you to sync contacts and favorites, and it will ask if you want to use CarPlay. Go ahead and agree to both if you want the added convenience. Once completed, your MMI screen will ask you to confirm other similar information. Simply follow suit by selecting the Apple CarPlay option, and then agree to the data transfer request. One more pop-up will appear asking if you want to open CarPlay or the Audi MMI phone interface. Go ahead and select Apple CarPlay to get started. And there you have it. You now have access to Apple CarPlay. Now we have arrived at the home screen for Apple CarPlay. CarPlay will show you up to 10 apps at a time with the ability to swipe between screens to see more. To the left of your apps, you have a vertical toolbar that contains your favorites, along with your iPhone stats, and a home button that will allow you to return from any active CarPlay app. On the far left of the screen, you still have visibility and access to the favorites that you have saved from your MMI system. By selecting Home, you can quickly make your way out of CarPlay. To get back into it, simply select the CarPlay icon in your MMI system. There are many ways that CarPlay can improve your driving experience with everyday apps. Let's start with navigation. You may have several navigation apps on your iPhone that will appear in CarPlay. For the sake of this example, we will be using Apple Maps. To access any app in CarPlay, you can simply tap on the corresponding icon. Now that Apple Maps is open, it has all of the functionality that it would on your iPhone. But let's head back for a moment.
Now there's actually another way to interact with CarPlay without tapping on the icons, and that is through voice control. This is actually my preferred method of interacting with CarPlay because it keeps me the least distracted while I'm driving.
You can find the voice control button on the right side of the steering wheel. Now pay very close attention. A single click of the button will allow you to talk to Audi's virtual assistant, which is accessible all the time, whether or not you're using CarPlay. To interact specifically with CarPlay instead and talk to Siri, simply hold down that same button for a few seconds and wait to receive a prompt on screen or listen for the audio cue. Then you can tell Siri what you want her to do. Let's give it a try. Play Jack Johnson.
Sure. Here's a personalized station of Jack Johnson.
It's as easy as that. Remember that a single click will have you talking to Audi's virtual assistant. Hold the voice control button down and wait for the prompt to communicate with your iPhone's Siri voice controls. Hey, looks like I just got a text message from Jennifer Aniston. I wonder what she has to say. Now, one of the great things about CarPlay is that I can use voice control to both read a text message and continue to send one back. Let's give it a shot. Read text messages.
Jennifer Aniston sent you a new message. Hey, are you free for a date tonight? I really want to see your new Audi, with a kissing emoji. Would you like to reply?
Yes.
What do you want to say?
Absolutely. I'll give you a call in 10 minutes.
Your message says absolutely I'll give you a call in 10 minutes. Ready to send it?
Yes.
Okay, it's sent.
And there you have it. Just like that, you can have a text conversation entirely by voice, without ever having to look at your phone. Phone calls can be made the exact same way, just by asking Siri to call one of your contacts. Now, something to be aware of is that voice control with Siri will only interact directly with Apple applications. If I tell her to play music, she's going to use Apple Music. If I tell her to navigate somewhere, she's going to use Apple Maps. If I want to use one of my other applications, I can tell Siri to open it, but from that point forward, I need to manually enter any information to navigate through it.
As you can see, CarPlay offers you a lot of conveniences in everyday driving scenarios. Exploring apps is just like you would on your phone, except now you have it on a big, easy-to-see touchscreen. Thank you so much for watching. For more tutorials, you can subscribe to our channel or visit us at AudiAtlanta.com.